So today is March 16th, and every year UCR has a day of service. And so alumni and the community can come and dedicate sometimes, give some time back to the community.
It's about giving back to a place that, for me, has given me so much. I wouldn't be standing here today if it wasn't for the people, the experiences and opportunities that UCR has given me.
I know that when we graduate, a lot of us just go out and want to do our own thing, but it's always important to come back and to give to the community, especially because campuses like Riverside are for first-gen, low-income students, and we are an HSI, so it's so important to be a role model, to give back, and to lead the way for our community.
So it's not just on days like Highlander Days of Service, but every day that is something that drives me to continue doing what I do to help students, and on this day and every other month, keep our streets clean.
Proud to say that even now as I come to UCR and walk the campus, I don't know how many years later, I just feel proud to be part of this community, still live in Riverside, still be able to give back to the community, and be proud to know that I'm part of this family and that UCR just keeps on growing and getting better.
UCR isn't just a university. It's not just focused on classes and meeting professors. It's more of a community. So I feel like volunteering is the best way to be a student because there's more outreach and it's just helping the neighborhood in general.
So both as a UCR staff member and a UCR alum, I feel that I am definitely giving back to the campus that really gave me so much.